everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday evening. We're here in Mawakera Settlement, Mabalacat, Pampanga. And right now, I will show to you the place here and the, what is this name? The place here also. In the right side is the church here.
This is
The
church.
church.
Wait, I will show. This is church. Look like bus station, but it's not bus station. Hi everyone. Today we just going to buy fruits, vegetable in market, in public market. It's not so far from our home. And we usually we go to this market because it's not expensive, it's not so far from our home, and this good place. Also we will walk now and show. This is park. Many people go to this park. Cats also. Yes, it's good park, local park in Milwaukee. Yes, you can see this is church. Church. Before we already show this place. We've been with Georgi. And Georgi tried first time Filipino street food. Now without Georgi we go alone. But we go every 3 days maybe we go into this place of Mabalacat city because we need to buy vegetable, fruits also. This is for children, for small children. Chicken, Shaira, chicken. They sell chicken.
Chick, not chicken.
Huh?
Chick.
Okay. And fish also. Fish. How much one? How much one?
20 pesos.
Only 20 peso. And this one? Also 20. Thank you. So many vegetable also here. We always buy from one store here. Regular customers. How much are cucumber? How much?
50 pesos each.
50 peso
1
only.
kilo.
1 kilo is 50 peso, fresh. How much garlic?
140.
How much?
140.
140, 1 kilo. 41 kilo.
Enough?
I don't know. Tomato, how much tomato? 40 peso 1 kilo tomato. Very cheap. Very cheap. Mango. Mango not season now. How much now mango 1 kilo?
170.
How much?
170.
170 peso. Okay. No, I said we always buy here. Regular customers here. How much now potato? Potato, how much? 130. 130. You remember before we bought for 150, now a little bit cheaper.
It's more cheapest right now.
More cheaper, but before, maybe 6 months ago, I remember 80 peso. So it's always different price.
Depend on the weather.
Yes, it depends on weather. Yes, Shaira say true.
No?
Yes, because if we need, we can buy again.
Tao.
Also fish have. Fresh fish, shrimp, tilapia. Excuse me, how much tilapia now?
No, that is not a tilapia.
It's not tilapia. What tilapia?
There is no tilapia.
No tilapia. What name of fish?
Tabasi.
Tabas. How much?
That one is 150 per kilo.
150 per kilo. And shrimp, how much?
And the shrimp for this one is 480 only.
480 only. It's good. You start work from morning or only now? Because if fishes need to, if hot not good long time.
Actually, we start as we just a new bay for this industry right now.
okay.
Yeah. We only
Okay.
start we have already started for 1 month already.
Okay. Thank you. It's for my blog.
Oh yeah.
Because foreigner don't know how, they need to know how much in the Philippines. That's why I show in the market how much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
Lemon also, right?
Hi?
Lemon also you need?
Yes, lemon.
70.
Lemon, I don't know, where lemon? This is lemon. Shaira, how
20
much lemon?
pesos.
Hi?
20 pesos each because it
2 pieces. 2 pieces you can buy too. Banana also. Ask how much banana. This banana. It's good banana. 100 1 kilo. How much?
100.
This is total 200 peso only. Only 200 is. Now we need to buy meat. This also meat have. Apple. Egg.
80.
90 the same.
Pwede na.
Thank you. So thank you.
Street foods. Okay, here. Shaira want to buy something. Street foods. Maybe she want drink, I don't know. Here also have church. Iglesia Cristo, не Cristo. So many people use electric bike like this. It's very popular now. Shaira. What she bought? What is this Shaira meat?
It's liver.
Okay. And what is gulaman?
It's not gulaman.
What is? It's a size tea. 10 peso only. You hungry? Liver and
Liver.
how much you pay?
20 pesos. It's already sold.
This is all 20 peso. We're going to another place because I want to buy fish, steam fish. It's another market. Нет.
Hi everyone, we're here in MacArthur Highway near in Mabalacat, Pampanga, and we're just buying some fish, steam fish.
Barbecue also. Ask how much barbecue.
Magkano yung barbecue?
20 pesos.
20 pesos.
Okay.
The other one?
And how much this fish?
Magkano can tayo? 100.
100. What name of fish, Shaira?
Ito, il.
Eel. I like this one because not so many bones inside. This fish, what name?
Milkfish.
Huh?
Milkfish.
Milkfish. But milkfish, how much?
Market milkfish. 180.
This is 180. But
We have also squid there.
squid also. How much squid? Shaira, ask.
130.
130. One eel. No, 2 pieces maybe enough.
Pieces and one more.
Or 3 pieces. And one squid.
Yeah.
Kaya, kaya. Kaya itong dito, aduang barbecue, may atong pusit. Ano yun? Kaya bela lang rin? Already 130 spoon, ready 2 pieces already.
Okay. A little bit walk nearby and show to you. Oh, 24 peso only. Here, tricycle driver terminal. You can take tricycle here. It's time now 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. and not so many tricycle because busy. This is MacArthur Highway. If go to straight, it's Angeles City. From Angeles to Mabalacat to Tarlac, so heavy traffic this time because all people finish work and go to home. Все, май. So many people, but not so many tricycle right now. It's a tricycle terminal. Sometimes so many tricycle here, wait. Already? Hi? How much?
270.
270, okay.
He said shout out her name on.
Hi.
Sorry if we cannot take some video from Woki Street because we're going to Manila tomorrow, and tomorrow also you can see our video from Manila. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Yes, guys. Sorry. Today don't have time to go to Walking Street because we always busy today. But morning we need to go to Manila about a case, you know what happened before in Walking Street. And also we will stop in the Malate. First we're going to Makati. And I want to stop in Malate and Ermita, and I want to walk in Ermita. You can see video from Ermita tomorrow. Thank you for watching.